Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to trade your Topstep account on TradingView in 2026. Now, currently a Black Friday sale is going on TradingView premium subscriptions, in which you are going to get up to 80% off and 1 month free. So if you are interested in this deal, you can just check out the link in the description. So first of all, when you come on tradingview.com, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, go to the option of the products tab here on the top. Now it is going to open the gold chart in front of you. So whichever chart is opened in front of you, you just have to click on the option of trading panel here in the bottom left hand corner. Now it is going to show you all of the brokers which you can basically connect with TradingView. So since you want to connect Topstep, simply click on the option of show all brokers. Then use the search bar here on the top right hand corner and search for Topstep. Now once you search for Topstep, you will notice that there is no logo of the Topstep account available. It is because as of 2026, Topstep doesn't appear as a broker inside the trading panel because Topstep evaluations and their funded account run on third-party data feeds like Rhythmic or Tradeovate. So if you want to connect your Topstep account with it, you can connect the data feed to your specific Topstep account uses. For example, if your Topstep account runs on Tradeovate, you can just simply scroll down and look for the option of Tradeovate over here. Then you can click on that and provide your login credentials and start punching your order on TradingView, and this is going to be replicated on your Topstep account. Now, if your Topstep account runs on Rhythmic, TradingView currently doesn't support Rhythmic as a native trading connection. So in that case, you will use TradingView for charting and analysis, and you can keep your actual order execution inside the Rhythmic enabled platform such as a Ninja Trader, which is available here, or the R Trader. So your charts will update on TradingView, but the traders will be executed elsewhere. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials. Thanks for watching.